So, we got this box for the Bronco, and it's a new light for the Bronco. And we've heard that it's very bright, and it's usually so dark in the back, but now it's not gonna be.
Let's go inside this baby.
See that light? It's not very bright. But Oaks, it's too bright outside.
Yeah, it's too bright outside. Let's make this bad boy dark.
Guys, hey, what are y'all doing? Kind of hard. I can't really see back there. Oh my gosh. We got to find the kids. They're not back here. So hard to see. Lights are so crappy. We're going to have to go to back up here. Try to find these kids. Whoa, whoa, bright lights, my guy. All right, we're gonna have to go look in the woods. My wife is gonna kill me. I know the lights are terrible on the Bronco, but there's no excuse for this. It's been hours. I still have not found the kids. But I am not giving up this search.
The next morning.
Okay, y'all, it's morning time. I have been looking all night for the kids. I can't find them. I don't know if it has anything to do with the lights or not, but I can't see them. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna hurry up and we're gonna install these things. And hopefully, magic of the lights, the kids will reappear. So let's hurry up and get this thing going, okay? All right, before I end up divorced. All right, so we don't have time for any of this stuff, okay? Go ahead and fall down. Appreciate it. Okay, we know about that light. All right, the second one, let's go. All right, hurry up. Let's come over here. We haven't seen these. My kids already showed you that one. The kids are missing. I got to show you these real quick. Hurry up, come over. All right, here we go. These are the new interior Mabett lights. Really like the way they look. Smoked lenses. They're going to go on the left and the right. What's great is they actually work really well in conjunction with this, so I highly recommend doing them both at the same time. Hopefully it brings the kids back. You've seen them. Instructions. Let's go get the install done. All right, y'all, so I don't have time to narrate you through this, so hopefully my buddy will do it.
Are you talking about me?
You got this?
I mean, yeah, I can help.
Thank you so much. All right, let's get to work.
All right, so we just need to do an inventory first. Here are the lights that we're adding, the instructions for the side lights, the pry tools, and it's a 5/16 socket. Flip it around, Matt. Thank you. That's pretty much the only tools that we're gonna need. Let's get started. All right, so our first step is just take one of the pry tools. We're gonna pry off this rear light. Don't be afraid to muscle up on it because these two little metal clips that are holding it in are in there pretty good. If you bend them, it's no big deal because we're not gonna be using this again. Come on, Matt, hurry up, we gotta go. Next, we gotta take out these 5 bolts. There's 3 on this first trim piece and there's 2 on the front trim piece, and just repeat for the other side. Now you want to start on the rear trim piece first because the front trim piece actually overlaps it. You'll notice here when you get to the third one, oh my gosh, wife's awake. Oh, gotta hurry. I had to remove the top because that final bolt in that first trim piece was actually underneath the handle and was not able to get it out without loosening the top. So remove those bolts. Once you've got all 5 removed, you'll notice that the trim pieces come right out. Really easy. Next, what I did is I took the wires and I fed them up for the side lights, fed them through where the rear light goes. Right behind there, that little indentation, there is a little retaining clip that I removed so I could pull the plastic piece down. Didn't have to remove the whole thing, but just feed it up through. One go to the left side, one go to the right side. Doesn't matter which one it goes. They're both powered the same. They're both the same length, so just feed those through, pull them up, get them on the sides, and move on. Next, I went ahead and connected the rear light and the front lights, and because I wanted to test them before I put everything in. As you can see, a lot easier to do it this way than install everything before you test it. So definitely recommend doing it this route. Next, we're going to run the wires down the sides. What I do, make sure to tuck it behind the airbags. You don't want to put it in front of the airbags. No zip ties are needed, so just slide this in, have the lights positioned so you kind of know where to put them. Now I'm just putting the pieces back up. Notice that the lights are on. I wanted to test them again. I've seen a lot of people have cut little pieces out for the wire so they're not pinching. I didn't do this. I didn't see the need for it. It's not pinching when I put them up there. Lights are still operating. Again, the lights are specific left and right, so you want to make sure that you've got the ones with the lights pointing down on each side. Otherwise, your lights are going to be pointing up towards the ceiling. So that's just one tip to make sure that you're taking a look at. Once you've got the side lights installed and the panels reassembled, go ahead and finish pushing up the rear light. Honestly, the hardest part of this was getting the backing off of the tape that's on the back side of this. It was real hard for me to grab it. I don't really have very long fingernails, so that was really the only part that I struggled with. It can only go one way, so you don't have to worry about if you're putting it forward or backwards. You'll be able to tell real easily. But once you get that tape removed, just push it up and you're good to go. All right, now that everything's buttoned up, we're just making sure all the side lights are working, the rear lights working. Both are good to go. All right, Matt, back to you.
All right, guys. I'm super tired. Finally got the lights all in. Hoping that when we turn this on, the kids are back and that the light is improved. Wish me luck. All right, gosh, please work. Please work. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Where were y'all? Where have y'all been?
We were just out there hanging up on the trees.
Oh my goodness. We found them! We found them! Woo! Come here, guys! Come here, guys! I can see! I can see y'all thanks to these Mabett lights!
My head feels so much better.
Alright, guys.
Great.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely get the Mabett interior lights. These things work great, and they help you find your kids. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Check out the link below for a link to the product. But until then, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Yeah. Flippy flip.
Blooper!
We can do a blooper video.
Maybe.